Guess what? Most families pay way too much for college. No one should pay full price, and you don't have to. Why do they overpay? Well, you need to understand when to start, what matters, and how you can help your students stand out in the process. At College Sharks, that's exactly what we help you do. Our DIY platform is guided by experts. We walk families through every step of the college application process with bite-sized videos throughout the junior and senior year. We're going to let you know what to do, when to do it, and why it's important. Less stress, more strategy. Our students average $68,000 in merit aid. That's quite a discount. So don't pay full price. Save time, save money. Just click the link below and start our 14-day free trial. No credit card is needed, and you'll get full access to our team and our content. Click below and get started now. Join the College Sharks. We're going to help you take a bite out of college admissions.